Today we're making some pizza from scratch, dough, sauce, everything. Please remember to subscribe, like the video, and share it if you can. I'm trying to build a cool community here where everybody can incorporate ideas and can just try new things. So leave a like. Love you guys. What up, dudes? So we got the sauce on the burner. It's the same recipe as my previous video, only except we're gonna keep it on the burner longer so it extracts more of the water out of it, so it's thicker. For the dough recipe, calls for 2.5 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of white sugar, granulated sugar is fine, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 teaspoon of salt already in there, 1 cup of warm water. Alright, and then one of these fast acting yeast packets, the good kind of yeast. Right away. Now, we going traditional, using our hands. Make sure your hands are clean, because that'd be nasty. And you just want to get up all in there. That noise. Yeah. Messy, dudes. It's messy. Like, super messy. Alright, so after playing around with it for a little while, the way to really do this is to actually have some flour on the bottom of a bowl or readily available. And you kind of grab that and just add into it as you go, so it becomes less and less sticky. And that way, you'll be able to get it off your hands and it's easier to work with. I mean, I'm sure you can see from all the cartoons and commercials and basically everything that they flour the surface when they're kind of rolling it out and whatnot. And that's to prevent it from sticking. It's messy. Get off my hands. Okay, we're getting somewhere, my guy. We're getting somewhere, my guy. Okay. Alright, so we're just gonna fold it, knead it, kind of get those ingredients activated in here, up in Pizza Town, Flavor Town. Yeah, buddy. Man, bakers must like have a gallon of Neutrogena with them at all times because I can feel the flour sucking the moisture out of my skin, dude. Oh my god. That's some high quality dough. Whoa! Breaking shit!
If you're making a bunch of little pieces.
It's like a flatbread.
It's a pita.
It's a giant pita. Pita.
The ceiling.
It didn't hit the ceiling.
It did. Like, I'm serious, because you're too tall.
Shit. Oh my god.
You're like, don't try this at home, kids.
Don't try this at home. Real professionals do this up in here.
You get what you get. Dude.
For reals though? Look at that. Just Joe, look at that. Alright. Time to assemble the za.
Huzzah!
Huzzah. You like lots of sauce, right? I like lots of sauce. Strongly urge all of you to make this sauce recipe because it is just dank. It's not like sewer dripping stalagmite dank, but really dank. It's just good. It's delicious. What is that? Put that in here. The noise that made. Dink.
Ew. Do not put that in your video. What is this? Just take that out of there.
It was
Yeah.
no, it was just.
Make that in a blooper or something. But
It was-
do
it was-
not put that in
I'm
there.
definitely putting it in the video. It was like it was just a garlic chunk, but it was
A
like
chunk.
My brain didn't know how to respond to that. All right, so topping time. We got pepperoni, got cut up prosciutto, got some shredded mozzarella, some seasoned ricotta, and some Mott's balls. Pearls, you could say.